I strongly believe that the price of gold xauusd is going to move down, okay, all the way to the downside, approaching this level of important support on the 1-day chart and also on the 4-hour chart. And I'm going to show you why I am looking at market coming back to the downside on gold. And what that means is you should be looking for sell opportunity on the 4-hour chart from this moment onward. All of this and more in today's video, so watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about forex day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. On the gold 1-day chart, if you look at what the market did here, market was creating new highs, okay. From this very point, market move upward, retracement, market move, we have retracement and market move upward. So this is a progressive upward movement creating higher highs, and that is very fine. And if you look at what the market is doing right now, we can say this is a correction, and then after this correction, market is still going to move upward. But the dynamic of the market is going to change if this happens, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. If you look at the RSI indicator, we see something different here, which is a sign that the market is going to have a good correction in the coming weeks or months, okay. And that is what you need to pay attention to at the moment. Look at it here. From this very area where we have this market on the RSI enter into overbought condition at this very point, and then market did not enter into overbought condition yet, but market creates a new high. At this very point, market did not also enter overbought condition, but still yet market created a new high. What this means is market is about to reverse. A possible reversal is going to happen very soon in the market, and what we need to pay attention to right now is the market coming back down for a good retracement first of all, before we can confirm that reversal. So if you draw this line from this very area to this very point right here, and you draw the same point on the RSI from this point to this very area, you discover this is a clear bearish divergence that is on the chart right now. So bearish divergence in an uptrend means that the market is going to come back to the downside, but we need to pay attention to market breaking out on this very level of support. So from here to this very point, market have to have a breakout on this very line. And if you look at this, this is a rising wedge, okay, in an uptrend, and if a breakout happen, it means it is a reversal pattern. So a rising wedge in an uptrend is a reversal pattern, and which means that market is going to reverse and begin to move all the way downward. So what you need to pay attention to right now, aside that we have a bearish divergence on the chart, is this very area of support. Once we see that breakout happen right here, then market is going to continue back down, and I'm expecting market to come into this very price level of $2,153 for gold, okay. So this very level of support is a critical support we need to watch out for if we see the market break out on this level of support at this very point. Market is going to come back down into here before that very significant retracement to the upside and then continuation back down. So this is a possible reversal coming in right now, but we need to confirm this to be true before we can take any position in line. But market, I am expecting market to come back to the downside because of this divergence. And once we confirm that the divergence is true after this very breakout on support, the market is going to continue back to the downside into this very level. So if you are a gold trader and you are not paying attention to this, then you need to pay attention to this right now, because it's going to help you make your trading decision. And the next thing here is on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, market moved down, and then we have this retracement, and then market is coming back to the downside again. If you notice, this very level of support is very important on the chart. So from here to this very point is an important level of support we need to pay attention to right now. That means if you look at it, market is having rejection from these very candles. So a possible retracement is going to still come into the market from this very area. So expect the market from here just move down a little bit before retracement is going to come in, and then continuation to the downside. What this means is you should be watching selling the market. That is, taking sell position is the best thing to do right now on gold chart, because owing to the fact that a divergence is already on the chart on the 1 day, although not confirmed. If that is confirmed, it will further juice the fact that market is going to still move downward. So selling the market is the best option right now for me, in my own opinion. So what you need to do right now is to wait for this correction or retracement to come in, and after correction or retracement, market is going to come back down for continuation to the downside. And if you look at the RSI indicator as well, if you look at it very well, it is covered that market has also created a divergence on the 4-hour chart. Look at it here. So from this very point, market from here move upward, created a new high, okay, at this very point, but it both enter overbought condition on the RSI indicator. If you look at it, this at overbought condition, this overbought, but market was coming back down. There is a decline, okay, in the structural formation on the RSI indicator. So this is a lower low. So market come down to form a low, but on the chart, market is creating higher highs, as you can see right here. So what this means is market is still going to continue back to the downside. Okay, so if you are thinking of buying the market, I think, in my own opinion, that may not be the right direction of the market right now. Instead, looking for sell opportunity will be the right thing to do. So wait for a retracement. Okay, don't just sell right here where the market is right now, because it's already at this critical level of support. You need to wait for the market to move upward and give us that nice sell opportunity for the market to come back to the downside. That is only when you can now sell from resistance. Okay, and this is very, very important right now on the gold chart. So if you are a gold trader, you must pay attention to what is happening right now on the 1-day chart, and also what we are seeing on the 4-hour chart, and trade in line for a sell opportunity or a sell position to the downside. That is very important. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. So check it out and do your registration through the recommended brokers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.